Habekran bau ba Paul Lyngdoh u MLA ubari ru nong elam keseng United Democratic Party halor ke election skim dorbar thawan ke jela ke menlong hak senam arajar arpupra. Ulong bagadang kloy pelat benekran halor ke election nomor kesemoy terikam karang jengai kumba arsenam shteng. Bad ansai itu benia egaru komyat ka kamsan pertai hak senam arajar arpunyo. Uba poleng do ula kedoro ba amla banlen ba keseng VPP kede keseng ke baklan bat kebala benekun banyo egabor shynshar hak jela. Habekran halor keseng UDP. Uba poleng do ula penpaw ya kejing bam sultanat halor keru company aja keseng UDP bala keno bahpo keseng kum ke women's wing ke youth wing ba kinom kit kam kem shimlay obenta ban ajing mutlem ne banedon benta kira kebedan kam jong keseng. Ulong bawat kinong yalam kiba kamrang ba kiba amshim lay kun election ru kimi obenta ban ajing mut halor kimat kiba kata ekaseng. Ula pensyai bo shim ladan kano ke jing bo kho yano ru kum kinong yalam bat ke jing temu ju kalong ban penlong ya ke UDP keseng ke besen syar ba ke pura bat ke bentup lang ya barok kidikot.
Well, it's too early for us to discuss elections because we have just crossed the halfway mark, which is 2.5 years of the current House. I think it would be appropriate for us to discuss emerging trends and the shape and contours of Meghalaya politics, most probably at the start of 2027. That would be the best time. Probably there is a division of opinions, but just because you have parents disagreeing, husband and wife disagreeing, does not mean that they're headed for divorce. I will just clarify one fact. I do not take any leaders to be personal, enemies or detractors or even rivals. I am more concerned, my focus is more on the broader picture. So, in that broader picture, all I am advocating is the need to actually make the UDP a truly 100% democratic party. When you have your foot soldiers, party members, the women's wing, the youth wing, these are volunteers who took the party to the height that it has reached today. Where is the element of democracy when they are not even consulted? Senior party leaders who don't fight for elections are not consulted on major issues affecting the party. I, I that's the part I'm not happy about, but it has nothing to do with any individual, A, B, or C. Nothing. It's too early, as I keep insisting that it's too early to study trends. But yes, VPP has emerged as a strong contender for power. There is no second opinion about that. How things will shape up 1.5 year down the line, we will discuss at that point of time. I think that is more the business of journalists and political analysts than the job of politicians. I do not belong to the VPP. If I speak ill of them, you will say I'm being overcritical. If I praise them, you'll say he's joining VPP. So let's leave that to a very neutral observer of political